Hello traders, I'm Bash Trader here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the new confirmed fix for the Metatrader applications. So over the past few days, Apple recently delisted the Metatrader applications from the App Store, basically the MT4 and the MT5. So what has been done is that when it comes to the App Store, as a developer, you can either publish the app or you can make the app not live, right? So what Apple has done is that they have stopped the app from being live on the App Store. So basically, when you search on the App Store, right, like this, you search and you go to your App Store like this, you're not going to be able to see the MetaTrader apps. So let's type MetaTrader like this, and then you can see basically boom, we can't see the app. So there was a fix that was circulating around on the internet that when you go to your Apple ID on the App Store and you go to your purchases, you're going to be able to reinstall the app back. That is, if you have had the app before on your phone, right? That was not confirmed because it was not a confirmation for the fix, right? But what I've done is that I have sacrificed deleting my MetaTrader 4, right? I still have my MetaTrader 5 because that's what I use the most. So what I've done is that I sacrificed deleting my MetaTrader 4 app to test to see whether that fix works or not. So let's look at this now. So what you do is you go to your profile, then you go to purchase right here, and then you go to search all. Make sure you click all, and then you search MetaTrader. As you can see, right, I have my MT5 still installed, but this MetaTrader 4 is not installed. So what I'll do now is just tap this icon, and then we wait for the installation process to begin. As you can see, installation process have started, right? So yeah, so it's going to download very soon. So what this means is that the app is still on the App Store, but it is not live anymore. That is, new users would not be able to download the app on their phone. But let's say over the past, let's say like over the course of 1 month or 2 months, if Apple decides to completely remove the app from the server, then everybody would not be able to use the app, whether you have the app on your phone or not. But this is still working currently. So you can see we have the MetaTrader app now, right? You can see allow, accept. So yeah. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed one. Peace.